Hey YouTube, today I'm just going to be showing you how to drill out your air holes on your tugboat or just about any RDA that you have. And right now I got a 332 drill bit, just going to fit that in there. I don't know if you can see it really good, but that's what's going to happen. Alright, I'm just going to put this in your drill. Make sure you got this laying flat. And remember to go slow when you're doing both sides. You don't want to push through the other side. Much better. A lot bigger. You can get a lot more airflow in there. If you need to, you can go up another size. We'll just try this out real quick.